Hello friends, my name is Ravi Kumar Tanaji More and today's date is 7 December 2021 and today I am talking about constructor in Java. In Java, a constructor is block of codes similar to the method. It is called when instance of the class is created at at the time of calling constructor. Memory for the object it is allocated in the memory. It is a special type of method which used to initialize the object every time an object is created using the new keyword. At least one constructor is called. uh, it calls default constructors available in a class. In such case, Java compiler provides a default constructor by default. Next point is rules for creating Java constructor. Constructor name must be the same as its class name. A constructor must have no explicit return type. A Java constructor cannot be abstract, static, final, and synchronized. Next point is types of Java constructors. There are two types of constructors in Java. First is a default constructor and second is parameterized constructor. First is a Java default constructor. A constructor is called a default constructor when it doesn't have any parameter. Its syntax is class name in bracket. uh, uh, the default constructor is used to provide the default values uh, to the object like 0, null, etc. depending on a type. Second type is Java parameterized constructor. A constructor which has a specific number of parameters is called as parameterized constructor. The parameterized constructor is used to provide different values of the distinct objects. However, you can provide the same values. Next point is a constructor overloading in Java. The Java in Java the a construction a constructor is just like method but without return type. It can also be overloaded like Java methods. Constructor overloading in Java is the is a technique of having more than one constructor with different parameter list. They are arranged in a way that each constructor performs a different task. Uh, they are differentiated by the compiler by the number of parameters in the list and their types. Last point is a Java copy. Next point is a Java copy constructor. There is no copy constructor in Java. However, we can copy the values from one object to another, like like copy constructor in C++. There are many ways to copy the values of one object into another in Java. By constructor, by assigning the values of one object into another, by clone method of object class, Thank you friends.